going to open up today's tip with a quote by Harvey Penick. If there is doubt in your mind, how can your muscles know what they're expected to do? There's Michael Jordan shooting a free throw. What do you think's going through his mind? Doubt? I don't think he's ever worried about missing a shot. All he is focused on is scoring. So why would we be any different? Why wouldn't we be focused on what we need to do to compete to the best of our ability? This is a run from 2 years ago. I can tell you exactly what I'm thinking about because every time I go in the box, I have the same mindset. I get my body position where I want it, and then I focus on my scoring. That's it. I'm not worried about my swing or any other fundamentals. Nothing like that. I practice hard and I work at all these things in the days after the competition. What's the first thing they tell a boxer when they start sparring or training? It's to relax. And why is this? Because a relaxed muscle is the quickest muscle. So this is why I just try to relax and let my muscle memory take over. I get my body position right, and I trust what I work on in the practice pen. Therefore, I have no doubt in myself. This is what I want to challenge you to work on. Get consistent in your mind. Create the same mental focus. If you do this properly, there will never be doubt. And this is a big step into adding consistency to your game. One thing that I want to point out in conclusion to all these runs, if you watch, I'm taking very consistent shots on all my horses at some very big rodeos. I mean, this is Reno right here. We placed in the first round. This run right here is Tucson. This is also winning money in the first round over there. And a couple others that I place at. To see more content like this, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Look up Pace Freed. Thank you.